Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of banned account on the application of Facebook. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about the application of Facebook and you can click. Then this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. In the end, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.